Hello students, in this video I am going to solve some questions related to the fractions. So generally students find difficult of word problem based on the fractions, but I am sure when you watch this video, of course at the end of the video you will find it very easy to solve the word problems based on fractions. So let's start. So the first question is, A bought 3 by 4 kg of wheat and 1 by 2 kg of rice. Find the total weight of wheat and rice bought. So what we have to find? We have to find the total weight of wheat and rice bought. So total weight of wheat and rice means what? We have to add this one and this one. Clear? So first we will write total weight of wheat and rice. Clear? You will write this statement like this: total weight of wheat and rice is equal to 3 by 4 means what? 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 3 15, 15 by 4 plus 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 5 by 2. Clear? Then find out LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 is what? 4. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 and 15 into 1 15. Then 2 twos are 4 and 5 into 2 10. So 10. So this is equal to what? 25 by 4. So the total weight will be what? When you will divide, you will get 4 6 are 24, 1 remaining and 4 kg of wheat and rice. Clear? Now let's do the another question. Next question. Clear? It is not difficult because you have done the addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction. Clear? So just what you have to do, you have to understand. My purpose is to make you understand how to solve the questions. Clear? So now the next question. A field is 16 1 by 2 meter long and 12 2 by 5 meter wide. Find the perimeter of the field. Find the perimeter of the field. Clear? This we have to find out. So how we'll find out? Perimeter of the field. What is the formula for perimeter of the field? Now it is very clear that this one is length and this one is what? Wide means this is the breadth. Means which type of field is this? Rectangular or square? Rectangular. Because in rectangular the length and breadth are what? Different. Whereas in square all the sides are same. So this is what? Rectangular field. And what is the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangular field? Yes. Perimeter of rectangular field is what? 2L plus B. So 2L plus B. 2. What is L here? So 16 2s are 32, 32 and 1. 33 by 2 plus 12 5s are, yes, 60 and 2. 62 by 5. Okay. Now solve it. So here 2 inside the bracket. LCM is what? 10. Then 2 5s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Again 5 3s are 15 and 1 16 plus 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 6 2s are 12. Clear? So this what you can write here? 2 then inside the bracket or without the bracket also. Clear? Directly we can put here because multiplication sign we can put here because between the number and the bracket no sign is here. No sign is here means no plus and minus sign, no division sign is given. Means multiplication sign is there. Clear? So here we write 2 into what? Add this one, 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 2, 8 and 1 1 2. Okay, by what? 10. Now the easy way to find the answer is what? Multiply this one with 2. Clear? Means this we multiply the numerator. So 9 2s are 18, 1, 8 2s are 16 and 1 17. Again 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 578 divided by 10. What we can write here? Yes, we can write, because we have discussed earlier, 1 0 is here, so we will put a decimal before 8. So 57.8 meter is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Clear? Now let's do the next question. Because you know that in rectangular what? In rectangular the sides are different, but in square the sides are not different. All the sides are equal. Where? In square. And here the sides are given what? Different. Means first we have to find that the field is rectangular or a square. Now let's do the next question. A motorcycle. A motorcycle runs 31 1/4 kilometer, consuming 1 liter of petrol. Consuming 1 liter of petrol. Okay. How much distance will it run? How much distance will it run, consuming 1 3/5 liter of petrol. 1 3/5 liter of petrol. Okay. So solve it. A motorcycle runs 31 1/4 kilometer, consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it run, consuming 1 3/5 liter of petrol? So 1 3/5 liter of petrol means what? 5 ones are 5 and 3? Yes, 8/5 liter. Clear? 8/5 liter means what? This is more than 1 or less than 1. I have discussed in the previous video that whenever numerator is greater than the denominator, then the value of that fraction is always more than 1. Okay? Means this is based on what? That we can say that this is based on direct variation. Clear? Or by arrow method we can solve it also. Okay? So for 1 liter it is what? For 1 liter the distance covered is 31 4s are 4 ones are 4. Clear? 4 ones are 4 30. Just convert it. You know how to convert in the proper fraction. So 4 ones are 4. Clear? And 4 3s are 12. Means what? 124 plus 1 divided by 4 means 125/4. Okay. So in 1 liter the motorcycle runs how much distance? 125/4. Okay. And so 1 3/5. 1 3/5 means what? 8/5. It will run what? More or less? It will run more distance. So what we will do? We will solve it. Clear? So we can write here x by 125/4 here is equal to 8/5 into 1. Okay. So the value of x will be what? 8 into 125 4 into 8 into 125 4 into 5. So 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. 10, 2 left here, 5 5s are 25. And 25 into 2 is what? 50. So, means what? Means by consuming 1 3/5 liter of petrol, the motorcycle will run how much distance? 50 kilometer. Okay. Now, let's do the next one. Arrow method I have discussed in the previous video. So, I hope it is clear that how we solve the questions by using the arrow method. Okay. So, must have found very easy. Next. Each of 40 identical boxes. Each of 40 identical boxes weigh 4 by 5 4 by 5 kg. Yeah. Find the total weight of weight of all the boxes. Okay. Now, how will we solve it? Each of 45 means what? The one means weight of one box is this much. So the weight of 40 box will be what? Weight of one box is this much given. You have to find out the weight of 40 boxes. So again we can say that by using the arrow method, one value increasing, then the other value also increases. Clear? So weight of one box is given what? 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 by 5 kg. So weight of 40 boxes will be what? Let x kg, okay? Let x kg. Then it will be easy. X by 24. 24, then 5 we will write here. Then again 40 by 1. So the value of x will be what? 40 into 24 by 5. 5 8s are what? 40. Now 8 4s are 32. 2, 3 here. 8 2s are 16 and 3 19. 192 kg. Means weight of 40 boxes will be what? Yes, 192 kg. Okay. Now let's solve the another question. This is very easy, you know. When you solve by using the arrow method, you don't have to write the statement and things go very fast. Now next, out of 24 kg of wheat, out of 24 kg of wheat, 5 by 6 of wheat is consumed. 5 by 6 of wheat is consumed. Okay. Find how much wheat is still left. Find how much wheat is still left. Clear? Now, we will solve it here. So, out of 24 kg of wheat, 5 by 6 of wheat is consumed. Find how much wheat is still left. So, in this video, not only I am doing all the questions by arrow method. Clear? I am solving the questions in a very convenient or very easy way, in which you find also very easy. You don't have to struggle very much to understand the process, to understand the questions. So, let's see see this one. Out of 24 kg of wheat means the total weight of total amount of wheat is what? 24 kg. 5/6 of wheat is consumed. So how much wheat is consumed? So consumed amount is what? Consumed amount is equal to 24 of means 5/6 of what? Wheat means 5/6 of 24. So cancel it. 6 4s are 5 to 5. 4 into 5 is what? 20 kg. Now we have to find out the still left means left amount. So left amount is equal to what we can write? Yes, 24 minus 24 kg. Okay, so 4 kg is the answer. Okay, now let's do the next question. Now the next question is a rod of length 2/5 meter. 2/5 meter is divided into is divided into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. Find the length of each part. Find the length of each part. Okay. Now, so a rod of length 2/5 meters divided into 5 equal parts. Find the length of each part. We have to find out the length of one part. So what is the means 5 equal parts? How we'll find out the length of each part? So length of each part, we will write here length of each part is equal to what? This divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 12 by 5 divided by what? 5. Okay. So how we will do this one? 12 by 5 into 1/5. Clear? This is the rule of the division. So we will get what answer here? 12 by 25. Clear? So length of each part will be what? Length of each part will be equal to 12 by 25 meter. Clear? Now next do the next question. Next question is now the next question is cost of 3/5/7 liters of oil is rupees what? 83 1/2. Rupees 83 1/2. Find the cost of 1 liter oil. Okay, we have to find the cost of 1 liter of oil. So cost of this much liter. This much liter means what? This is equal to what? This is equal to 7 3s are 21 and 21 and 5. Yes, 26/7. Okay. Oil is rupees 83 1/2. 83 1/2 means what? 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 by what? 2. And this is equal to 167. Yes, 167 by 2. Rupees 167 by 2. We have to find out the cost of 1 liter oil. So arrow method, this is based on what? Arrow method. So 26 by 7. Clear? So cost of 26 by 7 liter of oil is 167 by 2. Then cost of 1 liter of oil is what? Let it be what? X. Rupees X. Then solve it. So X by 167, 2 here, and then what we can write here? Yes, 1 by 26 into 7. Then X will be equal to what? 7 by 26, and we can write here 167, and here what we can write? 2. Clear? So 7 sevens are 49, 9, 4. Then 7 6 are 42, 42 and 4. 42 and 4, 46. Then 4 here. Then 7 1s are 7 and 4, 11. By 6 2s are 12, 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5. Clear? So this will be rupees what? We can write it rupees 1169 divided by 52. This will be the answer. You can divide it, you can get it in the fraction also, or you can write the answer in the decimals also, as you wish. Okay. Now let's do the next question. So the next question is, the product of two numbers is, the product of two numbers is 25 by 7. 25 by 7. If one of these numbers is, if one of these numbers is 6 2 by 3. 6 2 by 3. Find the other. Find the other. Okay? This we have to find out. Now, the product of two numbers is 25 by 7. If one of the number is 6 2 by 3, find the other. Product of two number means what? First you can suppose that other number be what? Let the other number be x. Clear? Let's solve this part. When you solve this part, you will get what? 27 plus 5. So 27 plus 5 by 7. Clear? No, not 27, because you will multiply here. Clear? So what? 7 0 0 and 7 2s are 14 plus 5 by 7. So this will be equal to what? 145 by 7. Yeah? 145 by 7. Okay. Then this one also. This one you find out 6 3s are 18. Clear? And 18 plus 2, 20. 20 by 3. So the product of two numbers is this one. Product of two numbers means what? One number is 20 by 3. So we can write 20 by 3 into x is equal to what? 145 by 7. You have to find out the value of what? X. So x, let it be here. 145 into 3 by 7 into 20. Okay. Now cancel it. 5. We can use 5. 5 4s are 20. Then 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, and then what? 10 and 5 9s are 45. Okay. So now multiply. So 9 3s are 27. 2. 3 2s are 6. 7 8. 87. Then here 7 4s are 28. Clear? So the other number will be what? The other number is 87 by 28. This will be the answer. You can divide and then you can write the answer in the form of a fraction. Now let's do the next question. So the next question is, by what number should 5 by 6 be multiplied to get 3 1 by 3? Clear? So by what, the question is very clear here. By what number should this be multiplied to get this one? So first solve this part. So what is this? 5 6 are 30, 30 and 5, 35 by 6. Then this one is what? 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10, 10 by 3. Clear? So by what number should be multiplied? Let the number be what? X. Let the number be X. Okay. Now let the number be X. So we can write X into multiply. We can write multiplication sign here. So X into 10. No, not 10. Should be multiplied with this one. So we will write here 35 by 6. And this is equal to 10 by 3. So according to the question, what number should 5 by 6 be multiplied? So X should be multiplied by with what? 35 by 6 to get 10 by 3. Now solve it, find the value of X. So X will be equal to 10 by 3. And here what? 6 by 35. Again 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Clear? Then 3 2s are 6. So the answer will be what? 4 by 7. Correct answer is what? 4 by 7. Okay. Now